is up, math class? It's Mr. Ohashi here, and we are on day 20 of your online video lesson. Today, we're going to continue working with the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. Remember, if a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then you have a right triangle. But if a squared plus b squared doesn't equal c squared, then it's not a right triangle. So pretty easy stuff, right? But I will warn you, today's work's going to be a little bit harder. It's going to be on Pearson Realize, and it's going to be problem set number 2, but the problems are a little trickier today. Also, I threw a couple of problems that are review from earlier in the year in there too. So be heads up on that. Don't forget, on Pearson Realize, if you have trouble with a problem, there is a help button in the top right hand corner that will either give you a video tutorial or it'll give you an example problem that's similar to the one you're working on. So that way you can kind of figure things out. But you can always ask me for help too. Just email me or message me. With that being said, you guys need to log on to Pearson Realize. Good luck with today's assignment, and I will see you next time. Let's go!